Hello! Welcome dito sa YouTube ng Happy Vegetarian. Today, gagawa tayo ng simpleng menu para sa mga vegetarians at saka mga senior citizen. Mayroon ako dito magandang isda. Ang ganda ng tangigi. Tangigi, no? Yan, gawin natin simple lang na parang steam. Okay? Maglagay ako dito sa aking frying pan. Ito na yung lutuan ko, hindi ito frying pan. Naging kaldero na rin, no? Since dalawa lang ang kakain, tansyahin ko lang kasi marami naman ang aking tangigi. So, siguro, in one meal, maglagay tayo dito ng 6 na slice. Puro tangigi po ito. Fresh. From the market. So, malinis na. Gawin nating tinola. Tinola na full of vegetables. Kunting sabaw. Kunting asin. Ganon lang kasimple. Pakuluan lang natin ito.
The third fan responded to a GIF showing one of Pacquiao's past dominance and showed his glory.
Wow! Nicely steamed. Lagay tayong gulay. Okra.
The official statement did not say. The announcement of his comeback to challenge barriers prompted the World Boxing Council to officially reinstate him in their ranking, placing him at number 5.
Alugbate.
This move is significant because the WBC rules require
One of my
their
favorites.
titles only against officially ranked qualified contenders. By positioning Pacquiao within the top 5, the sanctioning body has paved the way for the Mario Pacquiao fight to be officially approved and recognized.
I know the big spot right now. We're looking at Pacquiao potentially face
Started in 2009. Despite that, this ranking now qualifies
More gulay.
the full WBC title, since only fighters ranked within the top 15 are eligible for such bouts. Meanwhile, Eddie Hearn's Matchroom Boxing currently holds Jaron Lewis and his unified IBF one will beat Barrios. Hearn said,
Wow.
I'm not here to bring the Wages Act and say it's an absolute disgrace that Pacquiao is fighting. But honestly, I just can't believe someone can disappear from boxing. For 5 years, he's 26 years
More gulay. Happy vegetarian. Wow, tikman natin. Wow! Happy vegetarian today. Taste natin ang tangigi. Masarap. Masarap. Patay na natin. So, our stove is off. Wow! Masaya ako. Kasi masaya. Ang aking niluto ay masarap. And the alugbate. And the petsay. Sarap. Plating. At ito na po yung ating masarap na veggie tangigi. Wow! Mainit-init. Full of veggies. Meron tayong okra, meron tayong pechay, malunggay, alugbate. Wow! Sarap. Tikman natin. Masaya po ang vegetarian. Kain tayo. Sarap. Sarap ng aking gulay. Pechay po yun. Ito, okra. Tamang-tama lang. Ang pagluto. Hindi lantang-lantang. Hindi naman hilaw, ha? Malabo. Sarap. That's it. Sarap. Kumakain na po ako ng gulay. Basta may gulay, masaya. Ito ang aking partner dito na camera shy. Nakikita nyo. Makain din po ito ng alugbate, ng okra. Ang sarap po. Alugbate. One of my favorites. Kahit hindi ka na kumain ng isda. Kasi ang isda po na ito tangigi po ito, masarap. Oo. Kakain na rin yung partner ko kasi nainggit siya. Sarap. Nanda malunggay. Nanda alugbate. Bye! Nakakaya man, kumakain ako, nanonood kayo. Kasi, nagiging kaugalian ko na puro gulay ang kinakain ko, hindi na ako kumakain ng kanin. Sarap. Ito kayong isda, usually na steam lang. Ito, tangik niyo. Kakain muna kami. Kasi yung partner ko, kumukuha na rin ng plato niya. Kakain. Kasi masarap ang ulam. So far, ito ang pinakamasarap na tangigi with veggies. Promise. Masarap. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you in my next video. Bye! Please watch, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel dito sa Kusina ng Senior Citizen na mahilig mag-experiment. Kakain na po kaming dalawa kasi masarap ang ulam, kaya kumuha ng plato yung aking partner. Si Days. Want to eat? God bless us all. Bye-bye.